Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cook with Kim. Today's video is a simple sweet coconut nibble made with just 2 ingredients. Before you break and open the coconut, put the coconut in a clean plastic bag so that you're able to collect the coconut water and this doesn't go to waste. After smashing the coconut, I'm able to collect the water from the plastic bag I used. You can use a filter to avoid any coconut skin or shell pieces in your water. You may need to break the coconut in small pieces so that it's easy to remove the shells. So now I'll be using a grater to grate the coconut in small pieces. Put a pan in low heat and add the coconut water. You may not have a lot of coconut water, but don't worry because you can add 100 ml of water so that there's enough liquid to boil the coconut. Add the sugar and stir until the sugar has fully dissolved. Now add the coconut, stir it and let it boil for a few minutes. As the coconut is boiling, if required, drizzle a little bit more water to ensure there's a good amount of water for the coconut to boil without burning. It's a good idea to ensure that you stir regularly so that the coconut doesn't burn and it's rather cooked well until it becomes sticky. Once the coconut starts to become sticky and there's less water, remove the pan from the heat and let it cool down for a bit. To shape the sweet coconut nibble is easy, and you can do this by pinching the coconut and squeeze it to remove any excess liquid and place in a plate. The coconut nibbles need to harden, and this can be done in the fridge or you can leave it to set outside. The longer you leave it to set, the better. You will know that the sweet coconut nibble is hardened and set when you are able to grab it without it falling apart like this. So here's the finished mouth-watering sweet coconut nibble for you to enjoy. Please give the video a thumbs up, and if you like the tutorial, don't forget to comment any feedback and support the channel by subscribing. Thank you for watching. See you soon.